Quick flight with the stick. Flight test stick.
Big red stripes on the bottom are good.
Yeah.
Like this is like. See, now this has the C power pack.
Yeah.
And what do you have?
He's got the B.
Don't you have?
But it's
C?
a lighter.
On
It's a lighter
something,
plane.
I don't have C on anything.
Really?
The Tubby was all B's.
That's right. That's
It
right.
was 4 B's.
Tubby was 4 Bs,
4
really?
Bs. It could have probably handled 4 C's, but I guess not since the wing folds. Like if they ever came out with the giant Tubby,
Oh, they are.
which
They're gonna let
they
you
said
do.
they're going to,
Yep.
I would try it.
They. You can actually. They're gonna do their. You can design your own size. I think they were gonna say.
It really flew well.
Huh. So the only difference you'd do is you'd make the
I would,
spar a lot
I
stronger.
would beef up all of the spars because
Yeah.
the spars in that plane, one didn't go past the fuselage mounting points,
Hmm.
and they were only foam.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Folded over, but yeah.
Yeah, and it was heavy.
Mhm.
The wing itself is heavy with all that electronics on it.
That's enough to catch.